Okay, so something that I wanted to show you that you're able to do is you could do actually a photo overlay. So you could go here like so, or let's see if we could just actually in order to do an overlay, I don't think you should maximize it like that because I think the photo would replace the video at that point. But here you could have the photo right here, position, and then transparency like so, and then Control Z, and then play. And then see, it looks like he's writing on the side whilst he's on her laptop. And that is a way you could mess with photo overlays and transparency in your animation or videos that you're doing. And you could add text, so you could again Control Z, right here in review like so, and then you could actually add transparency into the text. Control Z, Control Z. And let's see if there's a way you could change this to that. And let's see what you could do. And then, actually I don't like that. There's not a way to apply a style in which if Canva gets more advanced in the future, something that I wish is that you could actually apply a style that would allow you to set the time frame for text, because something like that would actually be quite useful. There's not an effect on something like that or anything that I could do in order to set the time frames, but I wanted it to make it look like he was writing during a review. But besides that, you could add text overlays on top of your photo overlays. That's just something I wanted to iterate as well. So yeah, I think I'd still be happy with this result as an example.